off on another adventure. We're leaving Havasu Heights and headed south. That's Jim. He's recording too. Here we are in High Jolly, dry camping with Life is a Joy, Deb and Jim. We are having a great time. It's funny, we were pulling in as they were pulling out and they decided to stay with us. How about that? So we're all sitting around here watching the sunset. Isn't that cool? That is cool. Good morning. I hope all is well in your world. We are here in Quartzsite at High Jolly dry camping for 14 days. It's free. You got to get a permit. The host is back over there somewhere, but it's pretty nice and level out here. We're camped here with our friends Deb and Jim, and we have a little issue. Mr. Childers is going to explain it.
Yeah, we had a little electrical problem yesterday when we were unhooking, getting ready to come here, go to California. Slight delay. We had a connector gone bad. Evidently, it had some water got in there from the freezing cold right here, and it just welded that into that pin receptacle there. This plugs in to the receptacle on the outside of the trailer. This is my portable cable, and I guess I thought I smelled something, but I had this plastic cover. I thought it was coming off of that for the generator, but evidently some water got in there. I seen that gasket was loose when I disconnected it, so some water got down behind the plug itself, and I think dripped in, because on the inside it's not a waterproof fitting, and I think it went down behind the gasket when we had all that ice and stuff up there at Lake Havasu when it snowed.
Right. What y'all doing?
Tinkering around. Tinkering around.
Hey, Maisie.
You filming this yet?
I am.
Okay, so here's my plug right here. It came out. You see where it burnt right there. And what I'm thinking is that this gasket right here was loose. I didn't know it. And I think the water got down in there on that pin, because it sits just like that. It sits just like that when you're in there with it. So I'm thinking that's what happened, because it was kind of wet when I opened it up. Whew, good burnt. So anyway, that's just some of the things you run into out here, folks. So this it had a cover on it. The cover was right like that. So I think that water, when it went down there, dripped right on that pin.
Wow.
Right there. It was loose when I took the screws out.
Yeah.
So I think that's what happened. Some water got in there. Now I'll see if I can get something similar, and I'll reorder this later on, get a new one. This does come apart, but I don't know if I can order this part here. See, it comes apart. It's got 3 screws in it.
Right.
But I don't know if I can get another one of these. I probably have to buy the whole thing. And this is Furon. It's good stuff. It's marine grade. But water can destroy anything. So anyway, we're gonna go to town, see what we can find. It looks like I got a lot of. When you have an electrical thing issue, you want to. I got plenty of slack on all my cables. This looks like I got some heat damage here. So what I'll do is I'll cut this back and get rid of the heat damage. If it looks like it's any more, I'll put heat shrink on it if I need to.
And you've got enough cord you can pull that out?
Yeah, I can pull this on out.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
good,
I can pull it on out. So, and it goes up into this piece.
Right.
Well, when I put the new one on, I'll show you. But hey, that's some of the stuff you run into out here. You get things that happen sometimes. And you got to fix them. That's the way it is.
And once again, our friends are leaving us. But it's all good. We had a fabulous time. Fabulous time. So we're just gonna have to put this white one on until we can get.
Yeah, I'll order another one of those.
So see, we
That's
like
heavy duty. And this is pretty good quality, it seems like. But hey, you know, it might last for a couple years. Who knows?
We like our chrome one though.
The chrome one fits the trailer, yeah. Making sure everything's tight. All right. And this has got the screw on, and the cable already fits it. I didn't check that all out.
Sweet.
And it snaps down, which is good. It's a quality, it's plastic, where the other was chrome. It's all metal. That's what I like.
And where did you get this? Over at the tent in Quartzsite?
B&K, they had it. This was the last one they had. He sold a couple of them, he said.
Wow. And this is that Beulah tape? Beulah tape.
Yeah, it's Beulah tape. It's just temporary. I'll get online, I'll order a new one of those. See, I think this thing was heat damaged about 2 years ago because I've been having some trouble with it. I knew it was kind of getting to be a faulty connection. Just a matter of time. That last bit of bad weather and all that rain did it.
Yeah.
I think a little rain got past that gasket on the back. It was loose when I took it apart. So heat and contraction, I probably should have checked it. Hey, sometimes things happen, you just don't, you know.
We just thought we had a bad connection at first.
Yeah. Well, I knew it was acting weird and I needed to look at it. So when I got ready to take it apart, that's when I looked at it and I seen it. I said, oh, it ain't coming apart this time.
So you're pulling it back to get rid of the burnt wires, right?
Right, I got slack inside.
Y'all look at those.
Yeah, it got pretty hot.
Ooh-wee.
Yeah, it got pretty hot. Well, the water got in there and, you know, you never know with the waterway.
Water and electricity, ooh. We're lucky the trailer didn't catch on fire.
Well, we weren't drawing a lot of high amp, we were just using the generator.
Yeah.
And the max out of that's 20 amps. But still, you know, 20 amps is 20 amps. How about that? You want to kind of keep it even going in. You don't want to bust your cover up.
Right. A little.
When you're dealing with plastic, you
don't want to torque it too much.
With metal, you can warp it, but not that. That's pretty heavy duty. But with plastic, you got to be more careful and to get it. Kind of feel it, see where you at on your gap.
And y'all, we were without power all day yesterday, and guess what? We survived!
Yay, we survived.
He also got this cable at the K&B's.
Yeah, K&B there, Quartzsite at the Big Ten area there.
Yeah.
Tyson Wells.
Mm-hmm.
Tyson Wells.
So how much was this?
It was on sale. I think it was marked down to $50. It's about
And
right.
that's a good price?
For this Camco, yeah, it's a good cable. It's a good heavy duty. Yeah, $50.
It's 30 amp.
I think it was 75. Oh no, it was 69.
Ah.
$70. So he marked it down.
Sweet. Same for the cover. It was you got it for 50 bucks also.
That little handle.
I know. I like that.
Yeah. Well, this thing loves 60, 70 degree weather.
Alright, I'm going to go check and see if we have power. We have power! Woohoo! Thank y'all for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.